most powerful of cats can easily take on a buffalo twice his size. But buffaloes are not so easily fooled. A slight whiff of lion in the morning breeze alerts the whole herd. When there's a known predator around, the best form of defense becomes attack. The roles reverse. Prey turns to pursuer. Their advancing bulk forces the mighty predators into retreat. The buffaloes win the battle, for now. But who will win next? Hardly shaken by the showdown, the lions move away. With their position exposed, they lose their chance of catching a bite. Now, in midsummer, the buffaloes have good reason for being so aggressively protective. It's their main calving season. Buffaloes calve at a time when the new mothers and their calves can feed on the greenest and most nutritious grass. A pregnant cow usually waits for a quiet moment to give birth, such as early morning when the herd rests and ruminates on the night's feed, and daylight allows her to see further into the bush for potential threats. The wobbly newborn's legs take a while to strengthen enough to stand. It will be several hours before the baby can move with the herd. Until then, it remains vulnerable to any predator on the prowl. That is, a predator bold enough to take on an overprotective buffalo mother and the rest of the herd. At last, the calf manages to stay on its feet, and mother nudges it towards her teats for its first drink.